Alright. So, we are in the parts storage bay. Not sure if you guys ever saw this. Gotta have all your parts labeled and, documented as far as, the codes. I don't know if you guys care about this. I actually go by aviation standards, so green is not serviceable, yellow is good, but there's levels of good. And yeah, everything's documented. I can find it, because I'm a total geek when it comes to parts. And I got, all on the computer. I like things like this. Like, see, that's G. It's missing a part. Because, like, this is good. That's technically missing. This is broken, but there's still parts and bits, Brand new Ford little airbag things. These are good. A is perfectly serviceable. E is some sort of minor storage, repairs, or whatnot. H is historic. And we got like some nice parts here. These are the original from the 70s. You gotta have your windshields and windows. Yeah, Windows XP. And normal people put things like coats and whatever. I put car doors. As my winter work area. Yes, everywhere you go in this house there's bus parts. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Professional cameraman at work. We have presents and more presents. I have no idea what the hell this is. I don't know. Oh, for love of God! What are they making this material out of? And of course it's not going to be the right size. As always, Amazon junk. Yeah, but people are dumb. Alright, what do we got here? Yeah, okie dokie. Lots of packaging. This is, I don't even know what they're called. I saw a video of this crap. They call them Knipex. I've been hearing them called Knipex. So which one is it? I don't know. Oh, a little guy. Nice. Honestly, there's some issues with Amazon. Some of these, they say that they're forged. Not forged in the right way, but like fakes. They're not real Knipex. I don't know. Honestly, I can't really tell with this one. There's some imperfections here. Let me show you. Not sure if you can see this on camera. Like right there at the top. That's not grease. That's something else. Well, I guess we're gonna have to see. You push down here, adjust it. It's got these funky things to grab nuts better, and that's the part number in case you want it. But like I said, I only got out of desperation from Amazon because usually Snap-on trucks, Matco, Mac, whatever, they carry these, but I am in New York. And as we all know, nobody works for a living in this frickin' state. So there's no Snap-on guy. You would think in one of the most heavily populated areas there'd be a call, a need even, for Snap-on trucks to exist. Nah! I called the guy. He's never around. Nobody knows when he shows up. Ah! Pissing me off. Anyway, what was warning here? It's Gustav Putsch, Wuppertal, Deutschland. Do not use on live circuits. Always switch off power. Well, duh. Cobra water pump pliers. Water pumps. Yeah, because you know sometimes you need to get into a tough place and you don't have room for the big mamma jamma. Fancy. What's next? Garbage. Garbage. Already biting. Vanadine. It doesn't even, you know, chrome vanadium. Zoom up time. So this one, I'm looking at some of these imperfections here, which I don't know. Like some of that. Does that look right to you? Like I said, if this is just the way they are, that's fine. You know, I mean, a tool is a tool. As long as it's internally, you know, got the strength to do what it got to do, it's fine. But I don't like being tricked and scammed. And it's clear that Amazon doesn't give a rat's ass. Yeah, it's kind of like YouTube, you know, good channels never show up. And all the crappy ones do. Whatever. It's being a citizen of a global online community, eh? Why am I talking like a freaking Canadian? I'm not Canadian. More unboxing! God damn it! Design, made in Japan. How do you open these things? Now, these are Vampliers. A lot of you guys might not have heard of them. They're highly regarded in the maintenance and automotive world. I should open this one first and open these. Oh, oops. Oh, I think I just ruined the tool. Apparently these will cut your finger off. Ooh, that is very sharp. Holy crap. I'll show you guys. Alright, so it comes with a little cover here, which is kind of dumb, if you ask me. I don't care about the... But, look, serrated teeth. It's like if Rambo had sex with the frickin' seamstress. Oh yeah. And apparently they last a long time. Do we want to? Come on, come on. I'm all thumbs anyways. I got another 9 of them. I can get rid of a thumb. There. Vampliers VT011. And really? And now we got this, which these are the super pliers. The super pliers. Again, made in Japan. I don't see no defects. Plastic feels really good. Really good. Alright, let me show you up close. You'll see these are not your daddy's pliers. You can do like the usual, you know, cutting thingamajigs and all that. But look at them teeth. If I can focus! Yeah, look at them teeth. Look at that, that opens up. You know, they're meant to grab like all sorts of stripped heads and whatever. You're gonna grab your nuts and twist them right off with these bad boys. And you got like some more. I think this is. Ah! My hands are tired and I keep going out of frame. I can frickin'. God damn it. Why can't I have talent like other people? Alright, so it's got like these little rubby things here. I think this is for stripping cables, you know, like they're typical, and take the sheathing off. But yeah, they're not bad. Not bad at all. I kind of like these. And one of the most important things is how they feel. They're not like the most ergonomic, but I would rather take something that's durable over ergonomic any day. It does have like these ribs here. It's giving me dirty thoughts. I don't know if it's giving you dirty thoughts. This is not the place to do that. Stop it.
Tobin.
Bago number 40. What the hell is in here? What the hell's this? Justin? What the hell did I order? Why is it telling me I'm a VIP? I'm not. Oh. Man, these 2020 sucks. Even the air bubbles don't have enough air to pop. I am going to use this crappy $10 thing, and I'm going to make a little sandblaster out of this for the Ranchero. Yeah, you'll see how that's going to happen. I am not spending 80 freaking bucks for a gravity fed sander just so I can sand a little bit of an area. And more Knipex. Oh, this is the fancy schmancy one. You're gonna like this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that. I could have used this earlier dealing with Olivia. Look at the size of that mouth. You can really get your balls in there. Oh yeah. And then you tighten it or something. There's like a lot of features on this, and I am nowhere near qualified to tell you people how. All I'm doing right now is making sure my tools don't have any defects, because, you know. So, zoom in. Same system like with the regular pliers. Okay, you little push the nipple. Yeah. Then pull it open. And look at the size of that mouth, man. Reminds me of my ex. Freaking big mouth. But this is a good big mouth. And what I don't like is some of the imperfections in the casting. Again, not sure if it shows up on camera because I suck at my job. I mean, you know, some of the teeth alignment are a little bit off, and, you know, see, teeth are not quite aligned. Come on. Now, I'm not sure if this is, again, issue of knockoffs, or maybe it's just that Knipex or Knipex, they're sending their worst batches. Oh yeah, that's how it locks. See? It doesn't open anymore. You just push down on it hard and it just snaps in. And then to unlock it, I think you just pull it up, or... Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, nice. I like that. Yeah. But like I said, there's a couple of just... See, I'm a tool snob. What can I say? I don't have a lot of money. I don't have a lot of shit. What I got, I try to make it good. Those casting imperfections, I don't know. We will see how it lasts. Again, you're getting it on Amazon sucks because you got no tool truck warranty to speak of. You know. And calling the manufacturer up directly, I'm not sure that's something that will work. I'm actually seeing a little thing I don't like here. This might be a return. But yeah, I mean, if you're a tool manufacturer, where do you want to send your best tools? To the tool truck or to crappy Slutazon? Or I don't know. I don't have a clever name for them. Just figure it out. Amazon. Alright? They probably send the junk, the lowest level of their QC, to Amazon for poor schmucks like me to buy, or some idiot online that doesn't know his freaking compression fittings from his carburetor bolts. This is not what they're intended for, but they're gripping. They're grippy. They're doing their thing. God damn it, I already got it dirty. Even though I have imperfections there, I gotta say, I'm liking this little guy. Yeah, I'm liking it. Ooh, it's got some bite. It's got some bite to it. Like them like my girls. Short and stacked. Nah, because this one's flat. But that's not a problem. Still got a big ass mouth. Freaking A. Shut up. Brush your teeth. Tell your little ones to always brush your teeth. You're getting to see me lose my freaking mind. Anyways, I'm going to do a little more research, see how big of a problem it is with these knockoffs on Scamazon. So far they feel okay, gotta say. I am not sponsored by Knipex, no. Nor by the van, I always call them van pliers. They're not pliers for your van. It's Halloween, it's spooky, they're vampires. But really corny name. It's almost here. Freaking October surprise. But corny name, crappy packaging. But I gotta say, man, these are some nice pliers. They got a good weight, nice balance in them. Not too heavy in the front, not too heavy in the back. Just the fit and finish of this thing is amazing. I like the feel of the plastic. Like even these, you can tell, right? This is just regular dipped. No, this is not dipped. This is heat molded, right? So they just slide it on like, you know, like the condom your dad forgot to wear. Oh, yeah, and then they heat it up and it just tightens right around. But these, I'm not crazy about the futuristic Star Trek look on it, but it just feels good, man. You can't see this. You know, you can't. I can't make you feel anything except uncomfortable. But the fit and finish is very nice. The way the steel has been milled down, perfect. I'm not seeing a blemish or anything. Even this coating here. No dimples, no... Damn, man. I think I may have found my favorite tool. Now, excuse me. I need some time alone with my tool. The hell did you think I was doing, you freaking perverts? Get the hell out of here.